Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning dear students. Welcome to the new session. We are going to start the first chapter of social studies for class 3. Take out page number 1. Lesson 1, we are special. We are going to read the chapter and I will explain it. First of all, look at here. Here are the key words: identity, currency, state, regional, nation. Identity means शनाख्त, state mean मुल्क, regional means इलाकाई and nation means वतन. Okay, let's start the reading. Look at these pictures of two groups of children. Can you tell which group of children are Pakistani and which are Chinese? Here are two groups of the children. Okay, in this picture the children have Pakistani flags in their hands, and while in this picture the children have Chinese flag. So we can easily say that these are Pakistani children and these children represent the China. The children in both pictures are wearing different clothes and holding different colored flags. These differences show their national identities. Okay, now from these pictures we can see that the students have different dress, the children have different dress and different flags. So from the pictures, from their get-up, from their dressing and from the flags, we can easily recognize their identity. Identity means shanaख्त, holding means pakadna. So they represent the Pakistan and they represent the China. Every country has its own national symbols, national heroes and other unique things that make up its national identity. Like all nations, Pakistan has its own national identity. नेशनल आइडेंटिटी का मतलब है कि हमारी कौमी शनाख्त, लाइक हमारे पास क्या क्या ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें दुनिया के दूसरे मुल्कों से मुनफरिद बनाती हैं. अब हर मुल्क में हमारे पास उसके कुछ नेशनल सिंबल्स होते हैं, नेशनल हीरोज़ होते हैं. इसी तरह से सेम पाकिस्तान की भी अपनी एक अलग शनाख्त है. Turn the page. The symbols that recognize us as Pakistanis are national flag and national anthem. Here is the picture of Pakistani flag. It has two colors, green and white. It has a crescent and a star on it. The Pakistani flag is green and white with a crescent and a star, as I have told you. The green part represents the Muslims. This part, the green part, shows us the Muslims. It means that in Pakistan, mostly population consists of the Muslims, and the white part represents the non-Muslim population. इस white part का मतलब है कि पाकिस्तान में जो non-Muslim लोग हैं वो कम हैं और Muslims उसमें ज़्यादा हैं क्योंकि green part ज़्यादा है. The crescent and the star are the symbols of progress and light. Now, what does it mean? Pakistani flag में ये crescent और star क्यों है? It means that the future of Pakistan is bright and Pakistan is going toward the prosperity. Prosperity का मतलब है खुशहाली. Progress means तरक्की करना, the act of moving forward. Our national anthem Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baat is a prayer for the prosperity of Pakistan. As in our morning assembly, we read our national anthem, we sing our national anthem Pak Sar Zameen Shad Baat. What does it mean? This means that this basically means that we are praying for our country. हम अपने मुल्क के लिए दुआ करते हैं तो हम ये national anthem पढ़ते हैं. It was written by famous poet Hafiz Jalandhari. We sing it with pride to show love and respect for our country. Respect mean इज्जत, pride mean फ़ख्र. हम बहुत फ़ख्र के साथ अपना जो national anthem है वो पढ़ते हैं. The next one is a currency. Our currency is the Pakistani rupee. Here is the picture. It has a portrait of Quaid-e-Azam on it. It is a 1000 rupee note. The State Bank of Pakistan issues the currency. All banknotes feature a portrait of Quaid-e-Azam. 1, 2 and 5 rupee coins are also in use. हमारे पास करेंसी सिर्फ नोट फॉर्म में नहीं आती बल्कि ये कॉइन्स की फॉर्म में भी होती है. द सिंबल फॉर द रुपीज़ इज़ RS. The next national identity or the national symbol is religion, language and dress. Most Pakistanis are Muslim. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. Islamic values are part of our ways of life. Urdu is our national language, but many other regional languages are also spoken. Our national dress is kameez shalwar, worn all over Pakistan with different styles. Okay. As we know that Pakistan is a Muslim country, so हमारा जो स्टेट रिलीजन है वो इस्लाम है और हम अपने मुल्क में जो इस्लामिक रूल्स को फॉलो करते हैं. नेशनल लैंग्वेज हमारी उर्दू है जो कि पूरे पाकिस्तान में बोली और समझी जाती है. ये हमारे पास उर्दू के हरूफ तहजी हैं जैसे हमारे पास इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं, सेम हमारे पास उर्दू के भी हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास different other languages और भी हैं. These are called regional languages. Like in Peshawar we can speak Pashto and Jhinko. In Punjab we speak Punjabi, likewise in other provinces as well. And our national dress is shalwar kameez. Okay, here are some symbols of Pakistan. Look at some other national symbols of Pakistan. These symbols represent the pride of the nation. We have some national symbols. Okay, now our national flower is jasmine. Our national bird is chakor. Our national animal is markhor. Our national poet is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Our national sport is field hockey, and our national fruit is mango. So student, this was all about the national identity of our country. Here is information that is Faisal Masjid in Islamabad is the national masjid of Pakistan. In Islamabad we have a mosque, a masjid which is known as Faisal Masjid, and it is our national mosque, national masjid. Okay student, now move toward the exercise work, page number 4. In class 3 we have SST as a book work. We are not going to do any work in notebook, so you will have to write the answers of the questions in your book. Question number 1 is, what things make up the national identity of a country? Okay, what are the things that make up the national identity of a country? To write the answer of this question, you will have to draw the line over here. You can see, जैसे कि मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ की है, इसी तरह से सेम यहीं पे आपने लाइन ड्रॉ करके क्वेश्चन 1 का आंसर लिखना है. इसके अलावा आपने कहीं पे भी आंसर नहीं लिखना. द आंसर इज नेशनल लैंग्वेज, नेशनल ड्रेस, फ्लैग एंड करेंसी. नेशनल लैंग्वेज, कॉमा नेशनल ड्रेस, comma flag, comma currency, and national heroes. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2, describe Pakistan's flag. Student, we are not going to do this question, so you can draw a line over this question. ये question हम नहीं करेंगे. Move toward question number 3. Why do we sing our national anthem? Why do we sing our national anthem? To write the answer, draw the line over here. Let's do it के साथ आपने यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, 3 लिखना है, उसको सर्कल करना है और उसका आंसर लिखना है. To show love and respect, we sing our national anthem to show love and respect. Move toward question number 4. What things make Pakistan different from other nations? What are the things which make Pakistan different from other nations? To write the answer of this question, draw the line over here. इसी 4 के नीचे आपने लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. इसका आंसर है लैंग्वेज, रिलीजन, कॉमा ड्रेस. ये 3 चीज़ें हैं जो पाकिस्तान को डिफरेंट करती है, डिफरेंट बनाती है दूसरे नेशन से. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऊपर जो था वो हमने काट दिया है, वो हम नहीं करेंगे. उसकी जगह आप ये क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे. पहले यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करें. हु रोट द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ पाकिस्तान? आंसर इसका है हफीज़ जलंधरी. सिर्फ ये नेम आप लोगों ने लिखना है. नाउ मूव टूवर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, दैट इज चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन का मतलब है कि आपके पास 3 ऑप्शंस होंगे, उसमें से आपने एक को टिक करना है. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फिल द ब्लैंक. आपने ब्लैंक में कुछ नहीं लिखना, सिर्फ ऑप्शंस को टिक करना है. द ग्रीन पार्ट इन पाकिस्तानी फ्लैग रिप्रेजेंट्स डैश, नॉन मुस्लिम्स, मुस्लिम्स, हिंदूज. You will have to correct the write the tick mark on the Muslims. The next one is the dash is the currency of Pakistan, pound, real, rupee. The option is rupee. Third one is dash is our national poet. Options are Faiz Ahmad Faiz, Mirza Ghalib, Allama Iqbal. So the correct option is Allama Iqbal. The dash is our national animal. Options are markhor, lion, elephant. So the correct option is markhor. The last question is question number C. Write T for a true statement and F for a false statement. Pakistan's national anthem is a prayer for the country's prosperity. So you will have to write T in the first block. Islam is the state religion of Pakistan. Is it true? Yes, so write T over here. The national dress of Pakistan is trousers and a shirt. Write F over here in the third block. Field hockey is Pakistan's national sport. Write true. Write T over here. Thank you.